Hey, welcome to episode 13 of the best episodes of Credit 101. The original episode was episode 35. So if you want additional information about this, go to episode 35. This is literally just the best episodes of Credit 101. It's 206 episodes. So I decided, let me figure out which ones I like the most. And then let me create documents and things that you guys can use, guides, worksheets, checklists, dispute letters, personalized just for you all. So it's more than 40 dispute letters. If you guys are watching this and you already have the membership, then perfect. If you do not have this membership, we do have it for a dollar trial for 7 days, and then after that, just $9.99. And you guys have dispute letters in there, checklists in there, guide, worksheets, everything that you guys are seeing here. And I have them all here because I'm trying to teach you all about the different things that I did create for you all. Now, in we're going to talk. This episode, we're going to talk about the effective dispute letter responses, and I'm going to keep it very, very simple. I'm going to keep it very, very simple so you guys can follow along. And I want you guys to really trust me when I say this too, because we just have so much information out there and we think everything has to be something that is really not. And if you guys sent out a dispute letter already, hopefully you guys sent it certified mail. So hopefully you guys actually sent it certified mail so that you can track and you can have another thing that you can say. But let's get right on into it. And when I say get into it, let's figure out the responses. Now, you already sent out a dispute letter. You should have already sent out a dispute letter. Now you actually have to create a response. Now you have different responses, and it's going to be dependent on what they did. Now, did they delete the account or did they not delete the account? So that's what you need to figure out. If they delete the account, good, leave them alone. If they did not delete the account, then we have to respond. Okay. So now that you find out the account is still there, you need to look at your certified receipt. Make sure you go to the website and actually track this, you guys. This number right here at the top, you want to actually go to the website. You can just literally put in United States Postal, well, United States USPS. Oh my gosh, USPS tracking. Literally put that in, and you'll be able to track it right there on Google. Or you can go to the website and track it because you'll see like the first one that popped up. But you want to track it and see when they actually got your dispute letter. Um, Most times, if you send out your first dispute letter, they have 30 days to verify this account or delete the account from your credit reports already. So you want to look for the 31st day after you actually mail in this letter. So the 31st day, that's when you want to see was basically, did you have that 30-day time period? Because you want to wait. You don't want to go crazy yet. You want to wait and see. So if it's after the 30 days, technically it's the 31st day, then you want to send a response based off whether it was delivered or not. Because sometimes when you send certified mail, it may not have been delivered. Let's be honest. If it was delivered and you got a response, so it's a thing. If it wasn't delivered, you have to resend it. Let's scratch that out. You have to resend your first letter that you sent out, resend it again, and check again in 7 days to make sure that they got it. Check every 7 days, and you got to figure out why wasn't that letter delivered? Was it the wrong address or whatever it was? Okay, so you got to really start watching this. You got to go send that first because this one is very specific, you guys, and I just want to get down to the nitty gritty of it. So now we know that they actually delivered it. Now you want to know whether you got a response from them. Did they say, hey, we're going to keep this on your credit report? Did they not say anything at all? Because that's the key thing. If they said, hey, we're going to keep this on your credit report, you have to look on your credit report and see with the account that you have. Maybe it was a collection. You want to see, is this account still inaccurate in terms of it's still wrong? So you want to see like the date open, see if it's the same on all three credit bureaus. Look at the last date of activity, see if it's the same on all three credit bureaus. You want to look at different things on the account and see if you see errors. Now, we talk about errors in a totally different episode, so you should already know about errors. If you don't know about errors, please go to that episode to learn about the different errors, because you literally have a full-on worksheet inside the Credit 101 membership that shows you line by line how you should be looking at these accounts, so that you'll be like, oh, this is wrong. You'll already know what the error is. So if there are still errors, you want to send a letter to the credit bureau saying, hey, you still have inaccuracies for this account, and this account should have been deleted from my credit reports. So that's what you want to say. If you said it was something like fraud, make sure that you already had your FTC report and your police reports. You already sent that to them. And if they did not do what they need to do for that, you already sent this certified. I'm not a lawyer. I'm just saying, like, with these problems, all I would think about is just suing them. I'll send a follow-up letter saying, hey, you did not delete this account, and this is the reason why it should have been removed. The biggest things is errors on the account. Okay, so those people that have errors, find those different errors on the account. And when you send that letter to the credit bureau, make sure you guys send a follow-up dispute letter to the actual company too. Now, this is not the exclusive credit membership where we're talking about really deleting accounts and really digging into these accounts. So if you guys have major credit issues, you really need to look into the exclusive credit membership and join over there so that you can get into really tackling these accounts. But definitely send a follow-up letter to the collection company or whoever that has the actual accounts. So if you send a dispute letter to the credit bureaus because it was multiple accounts, you need to send you need to send a letter to all of those accounts that's listed on your credit report that you had originally in the a first dispute letter, and ask them, why haven't you deleted the account? Why did you tell the credit bureaus that it was verified? And I have those letters inside the exclusive credit membership. This is literally just small credit stuff. Okay, this small credit stuff. Now, that's if you got a response. Okay, that was a lot, but it's literally find the error. It should have been deleted. You didn't delete it. You didn't do what you need to do. You violated my FCRA. Period. Send another letter out and think about suing them like I did. Okay, so after that, you need to find out if they didn't see anything at all. If they did not see anything at all, then the FCRA said if the account is not verified, they're supposed to delete it. So you want to say that the account was not verified and they did not respond at all, and they need to delete the account from the credit reports. Now, I'm finna show y'all the dispute letter. I know I said a lot of stuff, but I'm finna show y'all the dispute letter now. It's very, very simple. I'm finna show y'all now what y'all have to fill in on this dispute letter to send to the credit bureaus that did not delete your account. And this is just a basic dispute letter, but I want to teach you guys how to just add a little bit more information to it to make it what you need it to be, because you guys need to learn how to like talk to the bureaus, talk to these companies, so you're not so dependent on what's that special letter. It's not a special letter. Just say, hey, this is what it is, and they know how to read. Oh, okay, I messed up, and they have to go fix it. So let me show you how to tweak certain letters. And this letter is available if you guys already have the membership. Just download it down below. So a lot of you guys probably already seen this dispute letter. Put your name, address, social security number, your date of birth, put the name of the credit bureau and their address, and then list your accounts. So list all of your accounts that you were referring to on here. Now, the biggest thing is if they did not respond at all, then I'm gonna say that this account, depending on situation, I would really say that the account was unverifiable. Now, each account will be listed here. The name of the accounts: Capital One, Midland, Americolect, whatever, LVMV funding, whatever it is. These are names that you're gonna put, and then put the account number here. But this second line, put whatever the thing is that I just told y'all. Hey, it's been 30 days and you did not respond. It's unverifiable. Put that information right here under all the accounts, and you literally can copy this and paste it. If it's the same reason, just paste it and make it so simple, you guys. Now, you see it says you have 30 days to investigate these accounts and delete them if they're not verified correctly from the creditor. Right here, I will put it has been more than 30 days and you have not verified these accounts. You have 15 days to remove this account from my credit report. That's what I would put right here. Put additional stuff in here. And if it's not that it's unverifiable, put the thing that's wrong with the account. Hey, this account is being re-aged. The balance is wrong on this account. The account number is wrong. And you could be very specific too and say, hey, for this same account on TransUnion, you say, oh, $305. Equifax says $307. and experience say 305. Like, which one is it? This account has incorrect balance and it should be removed from my credit report. Just simple things, and we can literally talk into our devices, and our devices can put the information on there. You guys use that to your advantage, because I do. Okay, I used to think it was me being lazy, but I'm more productive and I don't freeze. Like, I just won't do anything. So that's what you guys have to do. You have to fill in that information, and then put your, you don't necessarily have to put a signature here, but go ahead and put your name here and delete this information right here. But this is a basic dispute letter. If you don't have your first dispute letter, you never sent the first dispute letter, you still watching this because you need to know what's next, or like, hey, what I need to do to make sure I don't mess it up, then you can use this letter too to send as your first letter to the credit bureau. The key things I want to teach you guys is you guys have to tweak letters, edit letters, change a few things around, and you'll be good. Okay, so just get used to editing letters some, just so that your point can actually get across. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. If you don't have a membership, look down below. We have a dollar trial for 7 days, and then just $9.99. You guys, thing falling, and you guys are going to get over 40 different downloads. So definitely check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.